Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I picked up a new case today for my Galaxy S24 Ultra. This is the ESR FlickStand case. So let's go ahead, open it up, see what we get. I'm really super excited to check this out. Okay, so like I said before, new case I picked up from ESR. I have not used any of the ESR cases, but I've heard really good things, so I wanted to check this out. So this case is designed for MagSafe, so you can add MagSafe to your Galaxy S24 Ultra, which is great. On the back here, it says there's adjustable FlickStand, which we'll go over. It has a strong magnetic lock, and it says it's built to last 3,000 plus uses. So I'm not sure what that means. Hopefully it's got some pretty good military grade protection. So I'm looking forward to that. So this is a FlickStand case Halo Lock. So I believe Halo Lock is their version of MagSafe. So let's go ahead and open it up and take a look. You can pick one of these up on Amazon. I think it was about 20 bucks. I'll leave a link in the description below if you want to check one of these out. All right, so let's pop this thing open. All right, so just basic case, comes in this clear plastic bag here. And open that up. And we'll set this off to the side. And it looks like we got some instructions. So it shows you how to put on the case, and it shows the different orientations. So the different adjustments with the FlickStand, both portrait and landscape. So if you want to check out videos, any media. Let's see, become a super user. So this has a 24-month warranty that you can upgrade to if you want. Looks like there's a QR code there that you can scan. And it says some free product upgrades, so I might want to check that out. On the back here, it just says scan to watch the video. Don't need that. And then we've got this little tag here that says level up your MagSafe. Throw that off the side. And here's the case. So I got the clear case to show off my titanium gray on the S24 Ultra. So as you can see on the case, we've got the FlickStand here. So we can just push that up. And it feels really solid. It's a bit rough to open, which means that it's not going to open and close on you. It's not going to bounce around. Then we have the Halo Lock for the MagSafe here. We've got the cutouts, the individual cutouts for the camera, which I really like instead of just having that one big cutout. And there is a, on the top here, we've got our cutouts, and the bottom, so we've got the cutouts for our S Pen, our speaker, our USB-C charging port. On the inside, if we take a look here, so yeah, we can see this Halo Lock magnetic case and some ESR branding. So let's go ahead and throw this onto the phone. Real simple. Just pop that in like that. And you can see perfect cutouts. Got some protection there for your camera lenses, which is nice. Got the buttons on the side. They seem pretty tactile. Yep, real tactile, so you shouldn't have any issues there. Around here, just the edges, you can see the perfect cutouts for the microphone there and cutouts on the bottom. All right, so let's go ahead and let me grab a wireless charger. We're going to test out the wireless charging. So I've got the wireless charger here, and so this wireless charger does the Qi wireless charging here, and then we've got MagSafe here. So I'm going to go ahead and pop it onto the MagSafe, make sure that that is working. And let's just get that positioned correctly. Strange enough, it works on the Qi wireless charging, but the MagSafe is not working, which is kind of strange because this is supposed to support MagSafe charging. This may only be for actual MagSafe iPhone devices. Let's make sure that we have that on there. Yeah, so I'm not seeing anything on that MagSafe, specific MagSafe charging port, but it is wireless charging, so you shouldn't have any issues there. Let's go ahead, throw this off to the side, and we'll grab some MagSafe accessories and try those out. Okay, so I've got some MagSafe accessories here. So first I got a MagSafe wallet. This is by Moft. And so let's go ahead and test that out. Should be pretty simple. Just pop that right onto the back there and we can see no issues. Nice little stand wallet here. But yeah, magnet seems really strong. Yeah, there's definitely shouldn't have to worry about anything coming off. I've got a little mobile tripod here. This is from Peak Design. Great for mobile photography. So we'll just pop that on and there we go. And that's definitely not going anywhere. Let's just make sure that everything works, that it's stable. Go ahead and set up the tripod here. And there we go. And there's no issues there. So this is a very strong magnet. It's taking a bit of pull to get that off. And then I've got a wireless charger here. So let's go ahead and pop this on. And you can see that that came on and it is charging. So if we take a look here, we can see that it is charging up there in the corner. So MagSafe accessories, no issues there, which is great. I love my MagSafe accessories. It's really nice to be able to add MagSafe to Android with these different types of cases. Okay, so let's go ahead and test out the FlickStand case. So we're going to go ahead and just pull that FlickStand up. And so you can use this in either portrait mode. It works great. You can adjust different degrees. So if you want it to adjust further up, you can go that way or you can go back. You can also do it in the landscape mode. So if we go this way, you can see that it'd be great for viewing content. We'll just go ahead and throw on something here so you can kind of see. But definitely like the fact that the stand is built in and it tucks away really nicely. So if you just push that down, it tucks away and it's very smooth. There's barely any seam there. So it's not going to get caught on your pocket or anything like that. I really enjoy having this. I don't have to have any type of accessory on here, such as, MagSafe stands they make, the MagSafe rings. It's all built right into the case. And it, as you can see, you can barely see that along the case there. So it's nice and flush. So I would definitely recommend checking out this case for the price. And the functionality, it's definitely worth it. So if you're enjoying the video, please make sure to give us a thumbs up. If the video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel. And as always, click the bell notification so you're updated when new videos get uploaded. Appreciate you watching as usual, and we'll catch you in our next video.